Hey, what is up YouTube? This is YMac101 back after a while with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a screen protector. A screen protector. You might be asking, what is so special about it? Well, it is coming from a little Canadian company called Phantom Glass. What is so special about their screen protectors? Well, unlike most glass screen protectors, which are made out of scummy old glass, which properties and quality are questionable, Phantom Glass are proud to say that their protectors are made out of Corning's Gorilla Glass 3, the same high-quality glass that your flagship smartphone screen is made out of. It sports a thickness of just 0.2 millimeter, which is amazing compared to the competition, usually around at 0.3 or 0.4 millimeters. Well, here I have the version for the iPhone 6, Apple's new flagship, an awesome phone, a fragile phone, so we really want to protect it. So this is the Space Gray iPhone 6, nothing special, and this is the box of the Phantom Glass, and we'll open it up to see what they have inside for us. So, as you can see on the box, it says iPhone 6, because this is the iPhone 6 version. Okay, they say, let's see what they say. It's made out of tempered glass, as we say, Gorilla Glass, perfect clarity, case compatible, we'll check that. Silicone nano adhesion, that's big. They claim that their screen protector will even fill out small scratches on the screen. I don't have scratches, luckily, on my phone, but they claim, and Linus Tech Tips said it kind of works, so that's awesome. Oleophobic coating for fingerprint resistance and for the screen not look smudgy and filthy, and fill scratches, as I just said. Tempered glass screen protector, never mind, in French. They're a Canadian company, as I said. Same thing. So, let's open it up. Focus. So, here we have nicely labeled open. Okay, security label. Let's see how we open this. I might be needing a knife, so I'll be back in a moment. Well, I'm back with my rusty old knife, so now we're gonna slice the box open. So, here we go, not cut myself, easy. This is my first time actually looking at a Phantom Glass product. There are not many videos of it, so I thought, yeah, why not make a video about it. Yes, so I sliced open the box, and it seems to be working like this. Okay, so it slides out, and inside we have the protector itself. As you can see, it covered in film. It is made out of glass. It's very clear, very nice. Let's put it aside. We have an installation guide in English, which is pretty straightforward, but I'm going to read through it. We have an installation guide in French, and we have a nice Phantom Glass branded microfiber cloth, and I think even an alcohol swab. So this is awesome. So, first of all, let's see how it looks on the phone. Let's just put it on it just for, to see how it looks. It looks good. See? As you can see, it covers only the screen of the phone. So, when the iPhone curves, and it curves, you see the curve here? It stops. And this because the manufacturing process is pretty difficult. But Phantom Glass did say to me that they are going to release an edge-to-edge version of their protector. I am very excited about this, and I'm probably gonna get it. So, I don't know if I'm going to do the installation on camera, or I'm going to do it off camera and then show you how it looks. But let's look at the protector itself. I don't know if it has rounded edges, but it seems it might do. I don't know, I don't think. It's not rounded. But I'll be back and we'll be installing this. So I'm back, and as you can see, we are in the washroom actually. And why we're in the washroom? For two reasons. One, I have much more space to work in here. And two, as you can see, I filled a sink with, let me move this, with warm water. And no, it's not for dumping my iPhone in the water. to be very stupid. Let's not do that. It is for when the air is wet, all the dust settles. So it will be harder to get dust under the screen when installing it. Just a pro tip. So let's get right to it and open the little package that Phantom Glass sent. And let's open it up. So it comes with a nice little microfiber with Phantom Glass on it. You can see it. So now we're going to clean very thoroughly the iPhone. Leave no dust or any debris on the iPhone, no oil, nothing. By the way, the green microfiber is mine. Did not supply that. I'm just putting it for not scratching fun. It looks relatively clean, so let's take the moist alcohol swab and clean the iPhone with that. See, oh, it is moist. Let's just, just another level. So clean it real good. Getting there. Okay. That looks clean. I hope I didn't miss any spots. Get another run of the microfiber. Just make sure there's no dust. Because just a little particle of dust can get a bubble. And we don't want bubbles. Bubbles are bad. With my 5S, I was stuck with a little hair stuck between the screen protector and the phone. It got on my nerves. I was so mad. So now, let's take and do the, where it is, up here. Step 2, the back side. So let's focus again on the iPhone. Good. And we're gonna peel off. Let's align this, see it works. See there's no dust. Okay. Looks fine to me. Let's remove the back part and carefully align this. First with the speaker, then with the button. No. Almost messed this up. You do need to be careful. Align the home button, then the speaker. I think I'm good. Then press in the middle of it, and voila, like magic, it is installed. Wow, that is nice. Let's run over it. Let's see, there are no bubbles. We don't want any bubbles. All these bubbles, I think they are from this layer. Let's remove it. Let's work nicely on this. It seems okay, though I think I slightly. Let's try to reinstall this. Carefully not damaging the So that is it. It is installed, and as you can see, I removed it several times, but it's still installed perfectly. It feels really smooth and nice to the fingers. I really like it. So, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, favorite, you know, all that YouTube stuff. And I'll put a link in the description to Phantom Glass's website. I really do believe these are one of the best screen protectors you can get. And stay tuned for the curved edition. I am very pumped for it. Peace.